thing's just abysmal, man. Look at this. You know, it's been some years in the past when I would go ahead and just go down this sledding down the hills in Jaguar hoods, but not this year. I'm going to go ahead and step it up just a little bit more. Spread the holiday cheer all across the land. What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you all. We're going to go ahead and deck out the Adventure Mobile because why not? So I went ahead and picked up this nice, cheaply done tree of great fakeness. It smells completely like not pine, and it's about 7 feet tall. It's huge. So with that, we're gonna go ahead and put it on top here, strap it down, and we're gonna put on some nice LED lights that are gonna be solar powered. So ain't gotta worry about them ever, and it's just gonna light up at night and just charge in the daytime and turn off automatically. So without further ado, let's go ahead, spread the Christmas cheer, and go ahead and put on top of this beautiful SUV. It might be a little hard to see, but we got this little device right here, a little solar power battery bank. So power it on, we kind of cover it up. There we go. See, got some nice little lights coming out of that. So this is kind of like the easiest solution here, just to put on the trees, just for a little bit of pop at nighttime when driving around. And so, yeah, it makes things easy. See, then it comes on and off, got different modes or whatever. So, turn it off for now. Gonna go ahead and get this thing all wrapped up here before we put it on top of the vehicle. Alright. I probably should have done that. Oops. Oh my. Wow, this is like fishing line. Ooh. Oh dang. Oh dang. Wow, this is not going to be easy, guys. Oh, geez. Okay, I did not anticipate this. I should not have thrown that on the ground. Yee. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, man. I'm gonna freeze to death out here. That's just what's gonna happen. Crazy storms, well, wind coming out here. I had some bad sounds on top of the roof. Oh yeah, that's... Dang. What the heck, man? How the... Ooh. Ooh. Oh dear. The freak, man? Oh dear, we lost something. Oh crap, what? I'm telling you, these winds are pretty brutal out here. Oh, it snapped. Oh crap. Alright, well, that's interesting. So I gotta take this down. That's not great. Alright, let's get some ice. The ice was cool last night. Alright, well, we gotta shove this thing in the car. Let's get some gloves on. We're talking like 20 degrees out here. Winds up to wazoo. Man, that did not like being on the highway right now. I was seeing a distance there. We got some snow squalls here. Ooh, windy. I was really glad that didn't pop up and whack somebody. I was always afraid of that, but I knew I had it like tight enough that it would not happen. But that got a little weird fast, so. This is working well, and then this thing just as hard as a rock is just in my face. That scared me like crap, man. Oh man, this thing is just abysmal, man. Look at this. It just fell apart. All right, come on, we gotta shove this thing in there.